Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change zone and skip the dishes. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and this without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, all you have to do is first of all access your particular skip the dishes app on your mobile phone. Afterwards, you simply will have to access this particular option of help center, which includes here in this more options section option called update delivery zones. Simply go ahead, tap on this update delivery zones. Then afterwards you will be able to access this particular interface, which includes a select from available zones. It will simply let you show you all of the available zones right over here. Once you are done, you're simply going to go ahead, tap on the particular zone that you would like to confirm. Once you are tapped on it, you will tap on the save settings options below. Once you have done so, you will be able to save the updated zone on your skip the dishes. You can go back to your home section and check out if the zone has been changed or not, and this will be it. So this is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.